Hello everyone, how are you doing? Shatiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix the Fortnite client entry point not found error exception processing message fix in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and restart your computer. This process is to ending all possible daemons and process with running Fortnite in second line. Login in your desktop. Wait a moment. Go to the start menu and search for apps and features and hit enter. Search in this list for Visual C++ 2015. All Visual C++, right click or click and click on modify, click on yes, and click on repair. And click on restart to apply the change. Login in your desktop. And your problem has been fixed. You can try run Fortnite and this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.